in peer review mechanisms for development commissions to learn from one another in order to improve performance. In Benin, Obehi Tobo, NTA News.
Sensitizing farmers on modern biotechnological techniques is key to achieving food security in the country. Well, that was the consensual view of stakeholders during a one-day farmers and media engagement on agricultural biotechnology in Nigeria, organized by the Institute for Agricultural Research, Zaria. Blessing Damfulani reports.
The forum brought together farmers across north-central states of the country who were sensitized on modern biotechnological techniques in food production, such as use of genetically modified organisms with emphasis on TELA maize, PBR cowpea, and BT cotton to boost production at a lesser cost for economic benefits. Coordinator of the forum, Dr. Ahmad Yahaya, says the aim is to disabuse the minds of the public on genetically modified crops and educate farmers on optimal production.
We are trying to engage farmers and create awareness on the biotechnology crops that are already prevalent in the country.
Vice Chancellor, Nasarawa State University, Keffi, Professor M.L, represented, as well as other facilitators, say equipping farmers with improved inputs will not only yield bumper harvest, but will as well place Nigeria as a bigger player in non-oil revenue generation through export of agricultural produce.
Awareness is created on genetically modified crops, the advantages, the benefits of such crops, so that there will be increase in the use.
Now we have about 3 different crops that were genetically modified and released by the Institute.
Farmers describe the forum as impactful.
I've also learned about the improved variety that we need to plant so that we have a robust yield.
Since we have this knowledge, we will be able to correct things in the farm.
With forums such as these ahead of the farming season, there are signs that farmers in the north-central zone will smile home with bumper harvest. Blessing Damfulani, NTA News.
Good tidings we hear to prospective university students below the age of 30 who wish to study at the National Open University can now do so without the fear of not being able to partake in the National Youth Service Scheme. Executive Secretary of the Commission, Professor Abdullahi Yusufu Rabadu, gave this indication at the university's 15th convocation ceremony. The report.
As an open and distant learning tertiary institution, the National Open University of Nigeria is not one institution, but a network of learning communities with approximately 130 study centers across the Federation, including those at correctional centers. With over 500,000 student population, the largest university in Nigeria, and indeed the West Africa, has as its motto, learn any place at your pace, making members of society mainly working